Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you love to make at home. I like to show my fans them most of my video preparing stuff, getting it ready and all these things. So I have a few packs of pork and I marinate it, prepare it and get it ready. You can cook this the next day or you can cook it a couple of hours after. So it's good to just marinate and prepare your stuff before you cook it. So I wash it off, seasoned up. My natural blending season got everything in it. Once you use that to marinate the pork, it's good to go. Alright, so stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And please watch more videos. Give me a like and leave a comments in the description box. Thank you. Nice and lovely guys. I have some fresh, nice, lovely pork lean chops right here. I wanna marinate it and you know what I mean, get it soaked and ready. Or I can cook it instantly. Just wash it off into some lemon juice. So all I'm gonna do is marinate it. First thing, I'm going to squeeze on some garlic. And if you don't have one of these garlic squeezer, you need to get it because it's very important. Alright. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, the garlic is squeezing down. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's the first thing you want to do. And rub up the garlic and the pork. Chops like this. Oh, look at that. That is fantastic. Nicely. Nice, so garlic on it. White onion. Spring onion. tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Pepper. Paprika. Some sea salt. Little bit of pork season. Tablespoon of that's some natural blending season. Mixed herb. Little bit of ginger powder, not too much. Then you're gonna rub it up like this, alright? Getting that nice lovely flavor in everything. Nicely, as you can see. The natural blending season got everything in it. Fresh thyme, garlic, lot of stuff. So you don't have to worry about time and them thing there. Yeah, because you have everything. And my natural blending season really are authentic. Alright. Once you rub up the pork and marinate it, alright guys, so it's gonna tray like this. I'm gonna cook them in the oven. Alright. Hello. Nicely. So these are the lean part of the pork, which is really authentic and nice. All right. So two things you can do right here is you marinate your pork and also put it down for it to soak for 24 hours, or you can give it a few hours and make it soak, or you can cook it instantly. All right, so this is just ideas for you guys preparing your pork, getting it ready for cooking. Wash it off with some lemon juice and all these things. So yeah, I'm gonna just chuck this in the oven because now I'm feeling hungry, and I'm gonna cook this in the oven for roughly about 45 minutes. Spin me one juice, spin them over, and yeah, nice to cook at home and doing something different. So I did some video like this back in the days, but you know what I mean, as I was showing my fans and preparing stuff and getting ready, just love it like this. So yeah, how you marinate your pork and put it down for it to soak and all these things. Enjoy the recipe, guys.